Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use Landbot for lead generation in 2026. If you want to capture visitor information, qualify potential customers, and grow your business automatically, this guide will help you set it up step by step. First, open your web browser and log in to your Landbot account. Next, click on Create New Bot or open an existing chatbot from your dashboard. Now choose a lead generation template or start from scratch if you want full control over your chatbot. Next, create a welcome message that clearly explains your offer and encourages visitors to continue the conversation. Now add questions to collect important details such as the visitor's name, email address, phone number, or company name. Next, use input fields and buttons to make the conversation simple and easy to follow. Now qualify your leads by asking a few additional questions about their needs, budget, or interests. Next, connect your chatbot to your preferred CRM, email marketing platform, or spreadsheet if you want your leads to be stored automatically. Now preview and test your chatbot to make sure every question and response works correctly. Finally, publish your chatbot and add it to your website so it can start collecting leads from your visitors. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Landbot for lead generation. Your chatbot can now capture valuable leads automatically while providing a smooth experience for your visitors. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.